Does he have bad handwriting? No. No? Oh, actually, look. What's this? Is that a legal document? Who should be signing this? Who would sign this, you know? Yeah, well, do you think I get into trouble if I forge a signature? Yeah, that's a good idea. Actually, I might have it somewhere. Let me just get my contract. That's a good idea. I feel like Calli would sign on this. What does that signature look like? Can I forge my coworker's signature? Whoa! Calli signed this? That's crazy! That's crazy! Wow! Wow! Oh. Hi, Liz. Hi, Liz. What a coincidence, Liz. Because you also signed this legal document. Do you remember? Remember when you signed this legal document? Remember that? Remember that happening? Yeah, try and... Yeah, I got this. Don't worry. I've seen you do... Oh god, I almost quit my stream. I've seen you do it. I've seen you do it in person. I just need an example. I just need a good example. Okay. Ooh, that's really blurry. Liz! Liz! Where's your signature? Sorry, I shouldn't speak like that to my boss. My queen, where's your... If only... Oh. Oh, perfect! Oh! Oh. Oh, it looks really good! Yeah. Wow! Didn't know! Oh, thanks! My Mori skull kinda looks like a taco or something. Thanks! But obviously, it was drawn in green and not in black because it needs to match. So this looks really good. I don't know what you're talking about, everyone. It looks really good. Anyways, this is my legal document, and you can't say anything against it. And if you do say something against it, then you're wrong.